In this video, I will show you how to add the battery icon to your taskbar in Windows 11. First, locate the Windows icon on your taskbar. Right-click on this icon to bring up a context menu. From here, select Device Manager. In Device Manager, look for a section labeled Batteries. Click on it to expand and view its contents. You should see two entries listed here, Microsoft AC Adapter and Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Start by right-clicking on Microsoft AC Adapter. A menu will appear. Select Update Driver from this menu. Next, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Now, choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and then click Next. After that completes, simply close this window. Now you'll repeat these steps for the second entry. Right-click again, this time selecting Update Driver for Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Once both drivers have been updated successfully, restart your desktop or laptop. And there you have it. Your battery icon should now be visible again in your taskbar. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.